Hey guys, what's up? Tech Boss here, and guys, this is the S9. No, this is not S9. So here's the S9. So guys, this is the S9 Plus from the Samsung, and sorry for the confusion. This is the pretty similar to the old one, that is S8 in 2017. So in this video, we are just compare both the phones, and you want to update or not. So let's begin. So guys, here's the S9 Plus and here's the S8 Plus. And first thing that you notice is the fingerprint placement that is wrong in the S8, but now this is correct in the S9. This is much smaller, but good, and it is available in all the colors and good. The fingerprint placement is nice now, and the face scan is also there. New function is all there, and the speaker problem was solved by the Samsung. Now they have multi speakers, better than the S8, much better than the S8. So really good. So that was a really good. It is the 10 times better music quality than the S8 and S9 and S9 Plus specifications are here. You, if you want to read, stop and read and again play the music. Now if you remember the thing called Samsung desk, so that helps your phone to convert into a computer. Now new pad is there for the S9 that helps you to charge your phone, and this thing also support like also function like a mouse also, and it works amazing. And the trackpad is I think cost around $200 US dollars, but the it takes all the power of your phone like a Razer phone and works like computer. So that is a really good thing, and it works fine. So coming to the next thing, the looks in the front. The looks from the front, the looks are pretty similar. The phone supports Bixby, but the Bixby version has changed. The version 8 is there. Update version 8.0. That's a really good thing. And the biggest change in the Bixby is the changing of the language from one to another very easily, and showing the calories and how much calories in there in this food. So he's trying that one. So this is a really good one, and the new functions are also there. Like he is trying one that filters are there, and the looks on the backs are really changed. Now they have vertical two options. In the front the looks are same, but the nearly small bezels compared to the S8. So going to the next, if you remember, the camera of the S8 was really good, and the camera in the S9 was one of the most good camera in of 2018. So camera has little bit changed now. In the, if you want a camera purpose phone, go for the S9 Plus. So S9 Plus, because having the dual camera for the bokeh effect, and this one is also having the two apertures, like one is 2.2 and one is one lowest 1.5 for the night photograph. That was a killing photographs are coming in the nice night, because this is the lowest aperture, that is 1.5 in the camera. So night pictures are going to be far better than compared to now. So camera is just perfect. So coming to the last thing, that is the pricing of the S9 and S9 Plus. I think the pricing is compared to the $800 or little bit $750 in I think $800. So friends, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please comment thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I am giving you more tech video daily. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.